And we're getting some breaking news on top of this newscast. Lalu Prasad Yadav is throwing his weight behind Mamta Banerjee, who has made a bid for leadership of the INDIA bloc. He also has gone ahead and urged the INDIA to make her the leader despite the Congress's disapproval. Now, Lalu Yadav is suggesting that Mamta Banerjee should take charge, leaving Rahul Gandhi's leadership hopes completely dashed. Now it is Lalu Yadav who's voicing his support for Mamta Banerjee's leadership bid. This comes after the support came in from Sharad Pawar and other constituents of the INDIA bloc. First up, let's listen into what Lalu Prasad Yadav said. We are going to play out what Lalu Prasad Yadav said, but first up, this is the latest coming in at a time when there is a leadership bid that has been made by Mamta Banerjee. Lalu Prasad Yadav is now talking about Mamta and that she should take over the leadership bid and that Congress's disapproval on the matter does not count. He goes on to say that Mamta Banerjee should be given the leadership of the INDIA bloc. Before we play out what Lalu Prasad Yadav said, we're just going to play out that bite in a short while from now. Let's listen into what the latest coming in from Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, more support in favor of Mamta Banerjee at a time when Rahul Gandhi is leading the anti-Adani, anti-Modi protests in the parliament. There are parties like the Samajwadi Party and the TMC who have already skipped these protests, who have also distanced themselves from these protests. And now it is the RJD Supremo who himself has gone ahead and has said that it's Mamta Banerjee who should take over the reins of the INDIA bloc, and Congress's disapproval on the matter does not count.
Well, that's right. See, RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav has backed TMC Supremo Mamta Banerjee to lead the India Alliance. In fact, Lalu Prasad Yadav said that the Congress's objection in this regard is absolutely meaningless and Mamta Banerjee should lead the India bloc. Now, Lalu Prasad Yadav also expressed that in 2025 Lok Sabha polls, the India bloc is going to perform well under the leadership of Mamta Banerjee. Now, Mamta Banerjee herself have expressed that if given a chance, she is ready to lead the India bloc from the state of West Bengal. And given the performance of the Congress party in the state of Haryana and in the state of Maharashtra, the India bloc have suffered badly, and the leadership role now should be given to other leaders. Now, this particular demand has been supported by the other political parties like the Samajwadi Party, the NCP, the Left Front. In fact, now several leaders of the Samajwadi Party in fact stated that like in 1989 there was a change in leadership, and this time around a change in leadership is very much required, and the people of the country as well as the opposition parties of the India bloc have given several opportunities to Mr. Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, but they have failed to cash in. And under these circumstances, it is very much important that the leadership role should be transferred to other leaders of the India bloc. Meanwhile, the Congress party is continue to be adamant on the fact that it is only Mr. Rahul Gandhi who can lead the India Alliance, as the Congress party is a national party at national level. And they also took a dig at the Trinamool Congress, stating that the Trinamool Congress is just being subjected to the state of West Bengal. They had tried their luck in other states like Goa and in the northeast, and they have failed miserably. And Congress's track record is better. And under these circumstances, Mr. Rahul Gandhi should continue to be the leader of the India bloc.
Only yesterday it was leaders from Samajwadi Party who referred to Rahul Gandhi as a 55-year-old man-child. And now there's more support coming in from top leaders of the INDIA bloc, those who claim to be the architects of the INDIA bloc, who brought together the entire opposition on one platform to take on the BJP. This time, it is Lalu Prasad Yadav who's voicing support for Mamta Banerjee. Listen in.
कांग्रेस उसकी आपत्ति जता रही है लालू जी।
कांग्रेस क्यों जताने नहीं होगा? ममता को
मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार यात्रा पे जा रहे लालू जी।
अच्छा है, जा रहे हैं तो अब तो नैन सेकने जा रहे हैं।
न तो ममता जी को दे दिया जाए।
हाँ, दे दे।
25 में बोल रहे सरकार फिर से बना रहे हैं लालू जी।
हाँ, बनाएंगे हम लोग।
साकेत is also joining us. साकेत, इस बार लालू प्रसाद यादव ने ये खुल के कहा है कि ममता बनर्जी को INDIA ब्लॉक का नेतृत्व करना चाहिए? यही सवाल उनके बेटे तेजस्वी यादव से भी एक दिन पहले पूछा गया था, जब उन्होंने कहा था कि इस पर चर्चा होनी चाहिए। तो अभी लेटेस्ट क्या डेवलपमेंट है, क्योंकि लालू प्रसाद यादव की जो बैकिंग है, क्या वो सेम ओपिनियन अब तेजस्वी यादव भी रखते हैं?
देखिए, बिल्कुल लालू यादव ने खुलकर ममता बनर्जी का समर्थन किया है और एक बड़ी बात उन्होंने कही है कि कांग्रेस के चाहने से नहीं होगा। कांग्रेस इस पर अगर मना कर रही है या उनकी प्रतिक्रिया कांग्रेस की तरफ से जो आ रही है उससे नहीं होगा, ममता बनर्जी को नेतृत्व देना चाहिए। खुलकर लालू यादव ने इसका समर्थन किया है। तो निश्चित तौर पर आरजेडी की लाइन भी अब वही होगी। और दूसरा, इसके पीछे की एक सबसे बड़ी वजह है कि बिहार में भी इस साल जो 2025 में विधानसभा का चुनाव है और यहाँ पर भी कांग्रेस आरजेडी का गठबंधन यहाँ बिहार में होता है। कांग्रेस की तरफ से लगातार अभी से प्रेशर बनाया जा रहा है कि सीटों की जो संख्या है वो आरजेडी के आसपास कांग्रेस की भी रहनी चाहिए। डिमांड यानी कि कांग्रेस भी यहाँ पर मजबूत डिमांड अपना रख रही है विधानसभा चुनाव को लेकर। तो ऐसे में अभी से कहीं ना कहीं, क्योंकि लालू यादव जो बड़े खिलाड़ी हैं राजनीति के, वो अभी से कांग्रेस को डिमोरलाइज करने की कोशिश में है, उनको दबाने की कोशिश में लग गए हैं, ताकि कांग्रेस जब यहाँ बिहार में सीट शेयरिंग का फार्मूला हो तो कांग्रेस के पास बोलने के लिए बहुत मजबूती नहीं हो। और यही वजह है कि ममता बनर्जी को आगे करके लालू यादव ने ये गेम खेला है। अब देखना होगा लालू यादव के बयान के बाद किस तरह की प्रतिक्रिया इंडिया गठबंधन की तरफ से आती है। लेकिन ये साफ है कि लालू यादव ने खुलकर ममता बनर्जी के नेतृत्व, इंडिया गठबंधन के नेतृत्व करने को उनका सपोर्ट उन्होंने कर दिया है।
जी, क्योंकि उन्होंने ये भी साफ कर दिया कि कांग्रेस के चाहने और ना चाहने से कुछ नहीं होता। कांग्रेस का जो ओपिनियन है इस मैटर में, उसका कोई इंपॉर्टेंस ही नहीं है। लालू यादव ने ये कह दिया और उन्होंने कहा है कि ममता बनर्जी को ही नेतृत्व करना चाहिए। बट लाइक साकेत हैज बीन सेइंग दैट 2 days ago, when the entire conversation started, especially after Mamata Banerjee made the bid for the INDIA leadership, it was Tejasvi Yadav who was asked a similar question. Back then, Tejasvi did not openly endorse Mamata Banerjee's leadership bid, but he said there must be talks on the matter. Let's also listen into what Tejasvi Yadav said earlier.
अब देखिए, ये तो सब लोगों को मिलजुल के फैसला लेना है और जो सबकी राय बनेगी उसमें हम लोगों को किसी के नाम पे कोई अभी विचार नहीं किया है। लेकिन जब ये निर्णय होगा, सब लोग बैठेंगे तभी हो सकता है। इस पे तो सब लोगों को बैठ करके जो है बात करनी चाहिए। और हमारे समझ से इंडिया अलायंस में जितने लोग हैं, जितने सीनियर लीडर्स हैं, कोई भी आए तो उसमें आपत्ति किसी बात की नहीं है।
Sabyasachi continues to stay with us. Sabyasachi, so what does this mean for Rahul Gandhi? Because only yesterday we heard the kind of comments that came in for Rahul Gandhi. SP leaders have been saying that Rahul Gandhi, he's been given so many chances, not just by the Janta, but also by leaders of the opposition, but he just does not want to change. They called him a 55-year-old child. In fact, there are leaders of the SP who also made a proposal for Akhilesh to lead the bloc. So where does the consensus stand? Where do all parties stand when it comes to this question of who will lead the INDIA bloc?
Well, that's right. The opposition parties, the several partners of the India bloc are continuously demanding for a change in the leadership of the India bloc. Now, the Samajwadi Party, in fact, have raised the name of Akhilesh Yadav to lead the India bloc. Several leaders of the Samajwadi Party, in fact, said that several chances and opportunities were given to Mr. Rahul Gandhi and the Congress Party, and they have failed time and again. And it is time that a change in leadership is very much required. Now, this particular demand has been echoed by several other partners of the India bloc, whether it is the Trinamool Congress, the NCP, the Shiv Sena faction of the Uddhav Thackeray, or the left. Now, the Congress Party says that they are not, the high leadership of the Congress Party said that they are not going to engage in the war of words with the other partners of the India Alliance, and they would continue to lead the India bloc, as the Congress Party is the only party at national level. Whether it is a Trinamool Congress, it is not a party at the national state. So given the best chance, it is the Congress Party which can lead the India bloc. See, going ahead, there are a lot of differences and drift that could be seen within the India bloc itself. See, time and again the parliamentary meeting is being called by Mallikarjun Kharge. The TMC and the Samajwadi Party is skipping the meeting. The protest which is being spearheaded by Mr. Rahul Gandhi inside the parliament in front of the Makar Dwar. In that protest also the TMC and the Samajwadi Party are maintaining that distance. Yesterday in Jantar Mantar, the Congress Party called an important protest on the Manipur crisis. In that protest also the Samajwadi Party and the Trinamool Congress decided to skip the protest. So this shows the rift within the India bloc, and that is the reason why these regional parties are now boycotting the Congress Party, stating that we don't want to be in the alliance under the leadership of the Congress, and it is high time that the change in leadership is very much required.
So how will the Congress Party now respond to this endorsement that's coming in from not just Lalu Prasad Yadav but also other top leaders of the opposition like Sharad Pawar? Two top leaders of the INDIA bloc now have openly endorsed Mamta Banerjee's leadership bid of the INDIA alliance. The Congress so far is tight-lipped on these comments. Thank you so much, Sabyasachi. But let's now shift our focus to the Congress's parliament strategy.